Hey everyone, just want to show you the assembly of our new slow juicer. What you will get is your machine, you get your juice cup, inside is the blade or the auger, your jug, it comes with a mallet to push, a cleaning brush and two jugs. One you'll see it has a flat side, that is for the pump, the one with the spout, that is for the juice. Right. I'm going to put these to the side and that, and here's the assembly. So make sure you slide it in and it's firm. If this is not sturdy in, you can take it out, push it down, and you will hear a click. It should not be able to move. Then for your jug, you'll see it has a clip over here which locks in at the back of your machine. So you slide that in, turn it towards you. You'll see over there is a lock and unlock button, which also helps and aids you into knowing which side goes where. None of this will go on if your auger or your blade isn't in sturdy. Also, it will not go on if your jug is open, so make sure it's pushed down. Then jug on that side, pulp on that side, and then you can see it will go on, ready to use.